namhlanje umhla ka-4 August 2026 e-Edens okuyihholo yezimangaliso. Ngicela ukuthi ngibingelele-ke ngokusemthethweni ucomrade osiphethe masila phakathi kwethu ucomrade uPhiri Dhlobo owunonjebo wesifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal. Ngibingelele ubaba umfundisi umthunu Phakade, ngiyakubingelela Phakade. Ngibingelele abaholi be-Women's League esigabeni se-province abakhona phakathi kwethu. Ngibingelele abaholi be-Youth League abakhona phakathi kwethu esigabeni se-region. Ngiphinde ngibingelele abaholi be-Women's League abakhona phakathi kwethu esigabeni se-region. Ngibingelele abafundi bomkhonto wesizwe abakhona phakathi kwethu. Bese ngicela ukuthi ngibingelele ozakwethu esinabo kule region. Ama-comrade wonke ngizodluleka ukubala ngiqede ama-comrades kwathi ngifisa ukusho ukuthi linamholi kwi-region yenu ukuthi kulungile sobe sport. Ngiyabingelela abaholi. Ngicela ukuthi ngibingelele oThabarishi, inyamazana, amagerilo omkhosi omkhonto wesizwe. Elele wenyamazana, elele wenyamazana, elela wenyamazana, elele wenyamazana, ihlale hlathi. Ngiyabingelela ikakhulukazi osithupha bomkhosi womkhonto wesizwe, ikakhulukazi ngoba we owe our existence as umkhonto wesizwe party to this comrade uShilo ucomrade uSilofile kade chaza lana ukuthi ngo-1961 kwabakhona umkhonto wesizwe. Lo mkhonto wesizwe siwona namhlanje. Ingakho uCommander General uPresident ekholelwa kakhulu ophikweni lamasosha omkhonto wesizwe. Siyabingelela. Ngicela-ke ukubingelela ngokukhethekile ucomrade omtshatsha intentsha fresh from the box. Ucomrade lona yabona makuthiwa into izalwa kabusha, uyena ozizala kabusha nozozala kabusha iMoses Mabhida. Ucomrade lona olide iMabhida ngo-2024 sakwazi ukuthi siwuthole u2/3 majority. Base bawuthotha-ke abadla amomadlakusha. Niyalwazi udaba. So engikujabulelayo-ke ukuthi khona babembiza ngomkabayi. Angazi ngoba manje kunomunye umkabayi owalapha eThekwini ofakwe sishanga 2 manje. Sinomkabayi wethu iThekwini nomkabayi wayo kusho ukuthi sinomkabayi abawu2. Ngicela ukuthi ngibingelele ucomrade usihlalo omusha waseMoses Mabhida region. Ngisazomnikeza umbhobho hlalo ngemvume yakho. Ngiyacela ukuthi ngitshele nomhlangano lokho ukuthi ukuba khona kwenu la kucorrect. Ngithatha ucomrade uLungelo we-student movement uke wayibeka. Ngicela ukuhamba emazweni akhe kafushane. Umthethosisekelo womkhonto wesizwe lapha ku-section 6 ku-section 6.1 naku-6.3 uchaza ngokuthi yini ongakwazi ukuyenza uma uyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe. Laphayana ku-6.3 ukubeka kucace ukuthi ninelungelo njengamalunga omkhonto wesizwe ukuthi nihlangane nikhulumisane nezinto ezithinta iqembu okubandakanya abaholi, niba-criticize abagenzi kahle bese nilekelela futhi ukuthi on the Constitution comrade, inelungelo lokuthi abaholi abangenzi kahle nihlangane nikhuluma ukuthi abakhishwe. Constitution. Iphinde futhi i-Constitution lapha ya section 7.2.a inikeza upresident amandla oku-appoint. Bese kuthi khona section 7.2.c iyabeka ukuthi upresident izwile ukomplete ungukane ichaza uyichaze kamnandi, but upresident as a supreme leader unamandla ukuthi a-remove aphinde a-appointe ngaphandle koconsulta anyone. Then uzozwa-ke abantu bezokutshela bekunikeza i-interpretation eningi nge-appointment kaComrade uCele. Then uyazibuza ukuthi bahobani bahloseni yini abayikhonela emkhondweni wesizwe, because thiwa amanzi la kamakhona phindanga. We know abantu ababedayisa ngomnqamalala esibamukelile emkhondweni wesizwe sabanabo, but sebeyaqala bayayiveza ukuthi bahoba. And we cannot tolerate that thing. We cannot tolerate that thing ngoba abanye balabo bantu babephatha iy'mali zikaSiramaphosa. Namhlanje asinazi isizathu sokungakhonwa ukuthi basayiphatha iy'mali zaSiramaphosa. Siyabonga kakhulu uNxamalala ukuthi azosibuyisela sikhandele iMoses Mabhida region. Uma bese kuzonikeza uhlalo ithi-ke into kukhona incwadi kaPeter uComrade uvukane ebhalwe uComrade onobhala weprovince uComrade Kungozi. Comrade, without fear of contradiction, leyancwadi wrong. I-wrong leyancwadi leya. You cannot use-ofisini elikhulu nelibaluleke kangaka ubhale incwadi e-ambiguous. Kufanele ubhale kakuqona. uComrade uCarey lana uyasho ukuthi as a provincial member ikhona appointment letter kaComrade uCele ehlala kwi-province la. It should be clear kanjani. Then bese kuzoba khona abantu futhi nala kwi-region abathi basalinde i-province isho upresident unamandla. Enamandla nje le region ekhona njengamandla akekho noyedwa kubona owa-appointwa kwi-position by i-province. I-province kusho bona abantu be-province bathi hayi thina satshelwa i-national ukuthi wena ufundraiser wena ubani abangeke. So manje yini indaba mase kuyi-national through the office of the presidency eli-appointwa uComrade uCele bese kuthiwa siyini province? Ngoba i-province ayisi-appointanga ba-appoint national namanje ka-appoint national yini inkinga bo? So Comrade, we must know ukuthi we are here for umzabalazo, nothing else. We are not here to nurse and massage anyone. Sithuliwe ukuthi sizokwakha umkhonto wesizwe ukuyisa isithunzi somuntu omnyama. Ngicela ukuthi bonke nonke inkokheli ekhona la ngaphakathi ngibone into esimangaliso imotokhede niyenze emplanweni ngo-8 yahlangana ngo-9 yanemoto engaphezu kwafika. Ukuthi uhlalo mesengena uzothini, kodwa mina bengithi angixoxe nje ukuthi kube kuya ngokwami ingelutho kuno-Green Friday we-region efanisibe nayo. Khona sithi Green Friday amandla awethu sihole Comrade Debbie Seyitshele Zuma sihole Comrade Debbie sihole uphila babantu.
Comrade, i-problem enikuyona i-problem esikuyona. If imkhonto unga-image ngokhetho bafowethu kulimala thina sama-members omkhonto. And kubhlungu umkhonto wey'ngane zethu akuwona owethu thina esibadala. So ngeke sivumele kuthatha inhlangano yabantu basemzansi iyofakwa ehlathini kuzosomathuba bazoseva iy'nhloso zabo. Uthola ukumangala kwenye wadi kwenza umhlolo. Uthe kune-candidate ekhona, lo candidate yakrosa omunye umfowethu ekuthiwa u-BF, uzombiza ngegama u-BF Dlamini. U-BF Dlamini ukhipha umuntu obeyi-candidate abe esahlanganisa naye kulo comrade angenele walanda umlungu wamhlophe wathi uyena umlungu wabalapha ekhansela. Mayemlanda lo mlungu lo uthi angabe ekhansela, lo mlungu lo kusho ukuthi usekhipha lo comrade akade sikhuluma naye ukuthi angafakwa yena useyamkhipha lo comrade ngoba umlungu sebeshaya ideal nawo. Engagcini lapho u-BF uhambile futhi wayemlaze 89. Mayefika lapho 89 into 79 kwesombuso nalo mfowethu ekuthiwa uQashana. Into eyenzakalile uQashana ithema zimshaya izinto qala ukuthi ziyamshaya. Benze njani o-BF bayikhola off ukuthi no ayisaqhubeki kune-dispute kufanele kube mabuye kuhlangane. Only to find into eyenziwe uthathi uQashana kwayiwembumbulu mbuzane thizeni wosayinisela khona ukuthi uyena owinile uyena o-imagine. Kuthathwa nabantu basembumbulu abangahlala eMlazi bazofaka eMlazi kuthiwa bazovota. Mabethi bayakhala abantu into eyenziwayo i-voters roll ayisebenzi kulonda abantu abasuka kwamanye amawadi ukuthi abazovota against uMlazi ukuthi kuze kuwine lo muntu abafuna ukumunisa. So my comrades sikhathele izinto ezenziwa i-leadership ekuthiwa i-deployile. I-leadership mayifika la yokhethisa khona ama-deployile afika ashintsha ama-guidelines athi awayikhuluma into yama-guidelines futhi lento yani ye-voters roll ayisebenzi akukhethwe. Ajike futhi ama-leaders into ayenzayo ebuhlungu kufika kuthiwa abantu abahlukane ngamavidiyo bahlukane abantu amavidiyo awu-5. Mase kujika bese mangabe sekuthiwa ake kubalweke abantu ukuthi ubani owinile kulabantu. Kuyothi makubalwa kulamavidiyo awu-5 kube khona oyedwa oshawayo. I-process isiqalile. Bese bethi koyedwa uya-withdraw, maye-withdraw lo usehleliwe vele. Kuthiwa akathatha abantu bakhe abafake komunye ongathi uyawina. Lo besehluleka kuqala ukuthi useyaphuma. Enze njani yena? Athathe abantu kade bekomunye umuntu aqhubeke nabo. Officially lo process i-unfair. Fanele bayisho ngakakhetha ukuthi wena osuyibona ukuthi awusaqhubeki ne-process. Sicela nikhulume ninikezana abantu. Hayi masakubala mina ngithatha abantu bami ngoba nikeza omunye umuntu. Kukhombisana lokho kukhombisa ukuthi kunesandla esingasile. U-ANC ungenile emkhontweni namakhansela afuna ukungena laba kwethu singakhohlisani. Mase kukhona umasipala lo makhansela lawo ayohambisana ney'nqumo zika-ANC kodwa kumkhonto. Le amajuba bakhala bayayithulisa khona ama-drug dealer okuyiwona aseyi-structure. Umfaka kanjani umuntu oyi-drug dealer uthi akazoba ikhansela leader abantu? Umthatha kanjani umuntu onecala le-rape uthi yena akabe ikhansela? Uzongena kanjani lo muntu awulida umphakathi? Omunye usisi okuthiwa uyi-candidate ubonakale ebhaqabula umama ngenduku. Masibuza kule wadi ukuthi yini le niyenzayo ukuthi umuntu omdala ongaka ngashaya umuntu omdala ngaka niyenzelani leyo nto leyo? Kuthiwa hayi i-candidate le sesiyikhulumile ungangeni nakho sithi ngeke singangeni. Siyingxenye yomkhonto. So bafowethu umkhonto ma-ground force udipende kunina. Lento esiyicela kubaba uNcamala ukuthi ubaba uNcamala angaphumela obala avele kuthina. Ngoba kubuhlungu ngale vetting yaqalwa i-draw hayi nobaba uNcamalala noNomvale ekhona. Kuyithina esiphethe i-idea. Siyamangala base sibona abantu sebesebenzisa information ye-draw hayi sebethi bayavetha. Uvetha kanjani nge-information oyithatha komunye umuntu phathi wena uze ngento zakho? Uyabona ukuthi la emkhontweni sijoyine osomathuba. Ababheka ukuthi wena umqondo wakho ufast kangakanani. Baningi ocomrade la akade benza izinto ey'phathekayo babhale. Ifika le leadership yamaqela ithatha information yakho iyoyipresenta yona kwi-leadership. Kubona ngathi ibona bese ngomqondo kanti umqondo akuwona owabo. So sithi enough ngale nto eyenzekalayo. Sicela ubaba uNcamala langasibukeli. Sizame ngayo yonke indlela ukusebenza no-Willis nobaba uMpungose. Okunye kungidumaza ubaba uWillis wasitshela emehlweni sithi uDala. Emtshelile uNcamalala sinaye eMaritzburg kwelinye iplaza kaNcamalala. Ukuthi Willis nawo amadoda ozosebenza nawo. Ngicela usebenze nalamadoda eduodaya ngoba abafana bamengqaye nabo inhlangano lapho. Ngicela usebenze kanye nabo. Wavuma ubaba uWillis Ncamalala. Ubaba uWillis ngelanga mase sibadala seza la sizokhuluma naye. Ubaba uWillis into ayenza kuthina wasitshela ukuthi yiyo lento engafuni ukuhlangana nathi. Ngoba thina sifuna ukumlalela. Lento yethu ukuthi thina saqala umzabalazo noNcamalala uyayazi akayiphikile naye. And wasitshela experience yakhe yaka ANC ukuthi une experience.
We'll continue to lose in this battle of transformation simply because we use wrong methods to find the right leaders. Because leaders are not the same. There are leaders who go out there and spend much of their time telling the people about the big change they will make when they take power, model themselves as the new thing that is here to change all the problems people have. That's the first type of a leader. There's another type of a leader who decides to spend most of his time doing what needs to be done to change the conditions of the people. So I'm telling you about the talker and the doer. The problem is that we like the talkers. We choose leaders from listening to what they say a lot than observing what they do. And let me tell you about the talkers. It's easy for them to get popular, while the doers don't get popular because whatever they do it in smaller communities. No matter how many times they've done good things, but they're only known by the communities they've helped. But the talkers, they've got mass media platforms to go talk and dramatize, modeling some perceived values they have. But we know that in actual fact, theory and practice do not coexist in most of the times. So our problem right now in South Africa, we choose leaders according to what they say a lot, and we don't pay attention to what they do. From what people say, we begin to trust them and glorify them like our living gods. But we don't trace their actions. And good leaders are found in good action, not good talk. So sometimes we need to understand that we have to have a shift in our mindset to start paying more attention to the behavior of people who claim to lead us or who lead us. Because what people do reflects what they are. And there's another type of a leader who builds as much as they destroy. Such type of a leader will take you 4 steps forward and thereafter take you 4 steps backward. So whatever that they've done goes back to 0. And that's a most complex type of a leader because you'll always have something positive to say about you, and you'll also have to deal with the negative things that were done regressively. So next time there's a good talker in front of you, ask yourself if you are not listening to another lullaby song, a new release, perfectly composed and played for you to sleep a little bit more. Once again, once you start dramatizing, I quickly feel that you are not genuine and you are acting. And this is how some of us were able to spot Ramaphosa earlier enough that he's not a genuine leader.
Owayibopha kuze ikhulula. I-AfriForum ichazela amalungu ayo ukuthi ibihlanganelani noJacinta. uJacinta uchazela abantu abamnyama ukuthi ebehlanganelani ne-AfriForum. Amalungu e-AfriForum awafuni kuhlanganwe neMarch and March. Namalungu eMarch and March angakhokhi lutho. Awafuni kuhlangane ne-AfriForum. Kwenzakalani la? Bani bezwe. Ibhola limakwa kumuntu oliphethe. Ngeke uyolimaka ibhola kumuntu oliphethe without uyomthinta. Umuzwa amandla. Umqale, understand ukuthi umuva kanjani nebhola ukuze ulithole. Alikho emoyeni ibhola. I-country ayikho emoyeni. Hayibo. I-country sezandleni ezithile, and lezo zandla ezithile yize eziyiphethe. Ziyiphethe ngendlela ethile. Zidlise satshanyana kuze uzobamba intshayelo zayo. Hayibo. Hayi. Awese mfethu. Ngizoze ngidideke ukuthi ngingakuphi ngoba ngikho ndawo. Kodwa ngifuna uunderstand. Number 1. Wena. Imali yakho oyisebenze kanzima. Isangena eCapitec. iCapitec elawulwa eStellenbosch. iCapitec eownwa eStellenbosch. Obani? Oqonqa. Abanjani abacontributor kwi-AfriForum. I-profit abayenza ngemali yakho bayifaka kwi-AfriForum. Kodwa uyakwazi ukuma etsheni phezulu zake esihlahleni dilika. Mainly because we are not participating to understand what they're doing. We are participating because we are dependent on what they are doing. There is an element of a voluntary participation and a voluntary engagement which Jacinta is doing to engage these powers that may, with a deliberate attempt to understand how they operate and how to better compete with them. That's my understanding of why would such powerhouses meet? Why would such powerhouses have a dialogue and engagement? AfriForum is always looking for black progressive people to engage them so that they do not remain behind as to what are the developments or the latest developments taking place and taking form. But thina, the most developed, sesine access singayi kubo. Kumele kiwe kubo. Yibo abaliphethe. Kumele njengoba nawe uzovuka nje kusasa ekseni uhambe uyofola lapha. Ingoba ufuna lento abayiphethe, uzokhanda le onayo. Ongenayo, I mean. So sididekile. But abanye siya understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. But in all honesty guys, kulula ukuthi sime phezulu sigxeke kunokuthi sisebenzise lokho okukhona to advance our people. We don't have banks. We don't have big retail stores. It's mainly because there is a part of us that needs to surrender in trying to understand how these conglomerates operate or how these systems keep on suppressing us. If asizazi ukuthi zisuppressa kanjani and asondeli labantu abaziranayo, ngeke sikwazi ukuqashuka ngoba ugibe lulapha. Yabo. Yini enhlezi nithi, hayi asikhandeleni ethi oranje. Oh, asikhandeleni ethi ioranje. So Nina, when you speak of reference to ioranje, but you cannot go and learn how it's developed and how it's operating. For the fact that oranje has its own token, it's an opportunity for you to learn about that token and also implement it at your own neighborhood or small piece of land that you decide to use as a collective. Bangaphezulu okwamanje Kodwa ukuze sibe ngaphezulu kumele seqebo. And owabo umnotho kumele uwe. Ziningi indlela zokuwisa. Oh kodwa abantu bezwe ningihlekiselani. Hey, nangihlekisa.